Come, let's cook a easy, delicious coconut curry chicken done in just a few steps, and the end result is so delicious. So welcome back, guys. Here you'll find Jamaican cooking, international cooking, or just play around with a few vlogs. And here we're using chicken breast that will be done in no time. And for the season, we're using some onion, garlic, thyme, bell pepper, and we're just going to wash this, slice, and add to our chicken. And then we're going to add our powder seasons, season this, allow it to marinate for a couple of minutes, and then we cook this. So continue watching, guys. Please watch to the end and drop me a comment, and also like the video and subscribe if you haven't. So continue watching, as I said, and I'll catch you in another upload. Keep on watching, guys.